Tired of messy cables and multiple chargers cluttering your desk and bedside? The all-new Lumino 4-in-1 wireless charger changes everything. It charges your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once. One unit replaces all your separate chargers, only requiring a single cable. Just set your devices down and they start charging instantly. Powered by the latest QI2 protocol, it delivers stable 15 West Max fast charging. Enjoy faster and smoother charging all day long. Built-in premium on 52 strong magnets and an ultra-stable base. It locks your phone tightly in place, no slipping, no dropping, no unexpected charging interruptions. It supports full 360 free rotation. Adjust any angle you want without picking up your phone. The crisp click sound brings you a premium high-end tactile experience. Comes with a soft, flicker-free ambient night light with smooth stepless dimming. It creates a warm and quiet atmosphere, perfect for relaxing and falling asleep naturally. Widely compatible with ultra wireless charging devices, including the full iPhone 12 to 17 series, Apple Watch, Galaxy Watch, and wireless earbuds. Simplify your desk and upgrade your daily charging experience with the Lumino 4-in-1 charger.